Hi friends, welcome to Reach Mentor. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Node.js and npm Node Package Manager. In order to start, first go to the Windows R and click CMD and click OK. Then type Node, enter. As you can see, Node is not installed in my system, and npm it is also not installed in my system. Now what I am going to do is go to favorite browser, type Node, download and hit enter. It will redirect to a page where you can download your Node. Now hit a first link which is present here, like a node.org, from where you can download your Node file. Here you can find certain files like Windows installer, Mac and source code, all those stuff. Hit on the logo of Node.js, where you can see that you can download your Node.js started downloading here, you can see. Now double click on the setup file, where it will ask you to welcome to Node.js setup wizard, and it will ask you to click enter next. Okay, hit enter and accept the terms, then click next. By default, don't change the path, let it be, and click enter next. In this step we have certain things like node.js runtime and npm Node Package Manager and online documentation and add to path. You can if you want, you can make uncheck the things, but initially installing, click the check things all. You can see the Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager, it means it manages the packages to the Node application, that means all the JavaScript applications. Next, click enter, click next, then click on install button. It will start installing. It started installing. Click yes. My installation is almost done. The third step, copying new files, it started, and it will take a good amount of time, like 1 to 2 minutes. My setup is installed completed, and it will ask me to hit on finish button here. My installation is done successfully. To check whether it is done successfully or not, go to the command prompt, enter Windows R, it will go to the run command, then click OK. Then you can see the command prompt. Now enter a node, now you can see node is if I enter node and click enter, then previously it was showing that it is not recognized, node is not recognized, but now it's not showing like that, and we can do a simple program. But before that, let me check the version of my node that I have installed. Let me check a node, your SION, and I am going to click enter. Well, you can see the version 8.11.1. It's my version. Let me check with that. Yeah, you can see both are same, 8.11.1. yeah. And let me see the npm packet. npm and / version. I'm going to click enter. It shows the version. Node and npm has different versions, like it has 5.6.0 version, and node has 8.11.1. Now I am going to start with simple program, that is hello world program. To do that, go to command prompt node and click enter. Here console dot log, open your bracket, inside double quotes, hello or ld and semicolon, and I am going to click enter. You can see here hello world program is printed successfully. Let me show you another thing. Now where a equal to 10, I am going to assign a variable value a equal 10 for the variable a, and I am going to print a variable. Let me see, it will return the value what I have assigned now. Now we are done with installation and also a simple program, hello world program with simple steps. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.